YouTube. Woo! Okay, today is Ipsy. Caitlin is not doing Ipsy anymore. Screenshot. No, what is it? I can't. We're just gonna do that. Okay. Anyway. Thumbnail. Oh my Lanta, y'all, it's been a day. It has been a day. I have seen people posting in their Ipsy. I'm like, no, I can't look. I can't look. Don't look. Ah! Okay. Oh, we got something outside the bag. Oh, we got... Oh, that's cute. That's cute. What do we got? Oh, what are you? Okay, this is that Koki? I don't know. Gel liner. Ooh. Is it double-ended? No. Guess I should show you guys, huh? The bag is stinking adorable. I know it's Valentine's Day. Look at the little, it says Ipsy right there. If you don't know, Ipsy is a monthly makeup bag subscription. I had a hair in my gloss. This, I want to say, this is the little one. This is, it used to be $11 a month. I want to say it's 13 now, but they have other sizes, bigger sizes, but I don't get those. I used to, but I don't get those anymore. All right, let's see what we got going on. Are we going to have the actual products with... Oh, we do. Yes. Last month I didn't... Caitlin got hers, you know, with all the products and the information and pricing. I didn't. So it says full hearts. Full hearts. Okay, that's cute. All right, so this is the Koki, I hope I'm saying that right, Koki Cosmetics Gel Ink Liner, dual-ended line. Oh, there is two ends. Oh. Why? We're going to find out because now I'm curious. So, this is supposed to be one end. I had to open it. Okay, so this side is like a pencil. And then this side is the actual like ink. So, oh, that's nice. Okay, all right. Nope, that's the wrong side. This one goes over here. This one goes, nope. Black on black. Not good. Okay, so how does this one... Okay, so this just rolls up right here. Okay. All right, sweet. I got another eyeliner. Oh, I'm sorry. The price on that. So this is full size. I think that says $8. Yeah, $8. So that's full size. The little Ipsy, the $13. Oop, those, usually it's deluxe sizes, sample sizes. So, and then sometimes you do get a full size. So that's really cool. We're digging that. All right, what's next? What's next? What are you? Oh, is it? Nope. Okay, this is Bell. Oops. I thought that was going to take longer for me to look for because it fell in with my blinged brushes. So it was right there though. Bella, I have no idea. Okay, it's a brow gel, medium brown. Okay. Bella E-N. Right there. Okay. And that is a deluxe sample. The full size is $18. I'm down for a good brow gel. I'm okay with that. Let's see what's next. Oh, what's this? The what? I've never heard of this brand before. Hold on. Good to Go Skincare. The Removelous? What? Okay, I really need to bring my Deckham. Treat your complexion. So is it tinted? Oh my gosh. A weekly detox. Oh, it's a mask. Oh, it's a detox mask. It clarifies and purifies with, I have no idea what that is, some kind of clay and zinc oxide. Oh, good for all skin types. The full size is $48. Holy crap. Okay, so this is a mask. This is a weekly detox mask. Oh, we're going to have to try this on Mask Monday. Let's see. Oh, safety seal. I was going to open it and see. I still am. I want to see what color it is. Oh, okay. It's a kind of a grayish color. Oh, it smells kind of like fruit. Oh, that smells good. Okay, Mask Monday right there. Okay, let's get back in here. And we've got, oh, it's a Mac Fix Plus. I think I've had one of those Mac Fix Pluses. I spent like freaking $18 on the damn thing, and it was this little itty bitty. Oh, no ma'am. No ma'am. So this is the Fix Plus. Nope, read the box. Nope, read the card. I'll figure it out. Hold on. The Mac. So this is the Prep and Prime Fix. Oh, okay. Prep and Prime. So you can use this as a primer, and then you as a for the beginning and the end. Okay. I have 0 words today. The full size is $30. Yeah, $30. Thank you. Okay. And then, oh, and with the Ipsy, the little one, you get five products. Okay, Naked Cosmetics. Oh, what are you? Oh, it's a lip scrub, peppermint lip scrub. Ooh. The full size is I can't see if that's a 1 or a 2. I think it's 10. So the full size would be $10. This is full size. Oh, so this is $10 by itself. Oh, I have so many lip scrubs. Okay, so let's go through this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go through this. They did really good this month, but we're going to put the bag in the Christmas basket. I opened the eyeliner, so I'm keeping that. I've tried Mac Fix Plus. I've got other setting sprays. This is going into the Christmas basket. I'm keeping the mask. I've got brow words are just not coming out of my mouth correctly today. I've got brow gel, so that's going in. The Naked, like I said, I've got lip scrubs coming up the wazoo, so this is going in the Christmas basket. So I am keeping 2 of the 5 items, mostly because I opened them and I used them, swatched them right there. Oh, she dried. She dried quick. So I'm going to put this in my no, because I opened it. So yeah, I have to do I completely missed the basket. I have to do a shop my stash video. And then we'll use this. I'm going to leave this out for Monday, Mask Monday. And actually, I think I might do a Friday, what do they call it? Face Mask Friday. So we might do that for tomorrow. We might. Okay, you guys, that was my Ipsy. I will leave I think it's a link if you want to try Ipsy. Again, this one was 13. I'm so tired. I did a workout this morning for the first time since Rona. I'm exhausted. My body is just exhausted. So, sorry about that. So, okay, there you go. All right, I'm done. Until next time, see y'all later. Bye.